Welcome to the Type S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to be reviewing the Elevate 6-inch combo light. This round combo light features 4,050 total raw lumens. It's IP67 dust and waterproof rated. These lights include amber LEDs and are DOT compliant when installed appropriately. Visit typesauto.com for compliance information. Before you start your install, we always recommend that you diagram where you want to lay out your wires, where you want to attach any relays or fuses, and where to connect your wires to secure them in your engine bay. Also, before installing, you need to be mindful of how many amps that your lights will draw. When installing any type of wiring inside your engine bay, we always recommend that you stay away from moving parts and sources of heat. Cable ties are also great for securing your wires out of the way. This is how you wire your 7K Ultra 6-inch combo light. Before attaching your lights to the wiring harness, let's review the pigtail that comes with our off-road lights. You'll notice there's 4 different wires attached to this pigtail. Each wire will access a certain function of the light, so choose what function you want to control with your wiring harness. If you want to control multiple light modes, we recommend you taking a look at our 2-light wiring harness that comes with a wireless remote control. That product will allow you to control 2 light modes. Or you can use the Link switch panel and power hub. The switch panel and power hub will allow you to attach all 4 of these wires to one power source and allow you to control each light mode individually. These are the tools you'll need to complete your Elevate lighting install: nitrile gloves, socket wrench, cable ties, wire cutters and crimpers, electrical tape, and depending on your build, you may need extension wire. Please reference your user manual for all the wiring sizes. The Elevate lights come with a pigtail that includes 4 wires: black, red, blue, and white. Black is neutral. Red is for off-road mode, which will give you your max brightness. Blue is for auxiliary mode, which is reduced brightness suitable for on-road use. And lastly, we have the white wire. The white wire is for your DOT parking, clearance, or identification modes. Prep your wires and make sure you have adequate copper showing. These wires are going to have to go into a male spade connector. Insert the sleeve first, and then connect the male spade connector. Make sure you crimp tightly so that the wire stays secure to the spade connector. Crimp the male spade connectors to the light modes you want to control. Once you've attached the spade connectors to the desired light modes, you're ready to connect to our wiring harness. Connect the male spade connector to the female spade connector that's on your wiring harness. After you crimp on your spade connectors, you can cover the exposed wire with some electrical tape to protect your pigtail from any moisture or dust. Once connected, you're ready to test for power. Now that you have your light connected to the harness, it's time to test the rocker switch. When the light is on, you'll see an LED indicator on the rocker switch. You're good to go. Now let's take a look at the Elevate 7K Ultra 6-inch combo light installed here on this Ford Ranger. We've currently got it wired for the clearance DOT mode. We've also got it wired for off-road mode. You can control these lights through the Link 6. The Link 6 will allow you to control the lights through the keypad inside the vehicle, on your phone through the Type S LED app, or with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto.